Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So y'all, I think I have a bird in my house. I had to record this because I seriously think I have a bird in my house. So my mom had said to shut all the bedroom doors, which I have all the bedroom doors shut. So I'm gonna flip it around. So I have all the bedroom doors shut. So this is where I think the bird is at. So she said to open up all the doors downstairs.
Yeah.
And to open up that door and let the bird fly out.
That's
so y'all should have been downstairs because the front door is not open.
Oh shoot! Come on.
Y'all, God. I had to record this because this is outrageous. I'm telling y'all, my life is crazy. Like, I heard the noise and stuff. Like, I don't hear it no more, but I heard the noise. So I put a blanket here because I was terrified that it could come out at the bottom.
Oh my God.
If this bird fly out, just duck. Just duck down.
Are we getting outside?
Yo, I don't even, oh my God. I'm like nervous. I don't know if it's in here anymore because I don't hear no noise. No, I think it's gone.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have to stuff something into this hole.
How is it? Oh my God, is that?
So I'm gonna get one of these little rag thingies I have. And I'm gonna stuff it in the hole. What's the point of checking your room?
Yeah. It's not gonna be in your room. It's gonna be in here. Oh shoot! I need a little. Oh God.
So okay, I stuffed that. I mean, obviously you couldn't go nowhere. Probably went right back out.
It probably went right through there.
Okay,
That's it?
that's it.
Oh,
All right.
thank God.
See y'all at the next video.
Oh my God.
Oh, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below, share. Y'all, this was something here. So I'll see y'all at the next video.